In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dynamically update column headers and titles using Tableau. This process will give your data visualizations an interactive touch, making them more engaging and user-friendly. It's perfect for dashboards where you need to tailor content to specific audiences or datasets. Let's dive right into it. To start off, open your Tableau application. Once it's up and running and you're at the home screen, the next step is to load the data you plan to work with. This could be anything from a CSV file to a connection with your favorite database. Importing your data accurately is essential as it sets the groundwork for everything else. Now, with your data loaded, the first task is to create a parameter. Parameters in Tableau are versatile, as they can be used to replace constant values in calculations, filters, and reference lines. This is where the foundation for dynamic updates is laid. Once the parameter dialog is open, go ahead and give your parameter a name. The name should be descriptive enough to help you remember what it's controlling. Naming things accurately can save you a lot of confusion as your project grows. Next, you'll need to set the data type for your parameter. For our purposes today, you'll want to set it to string. This data type is used when you wish to handle text or a list of predefined textual values later on. After setting the data type, assign a current value to your parameter. Start with something simple, like 10, which serves as a default. This is the value that will appear initially when you implement the parameter in your visualization. Subsequently, you will want to define the allowable values. Choose the List option, which allows you to specify a list of values that users can select from. This functionality is crucial as it feeds into the dynamic nature we're aiming to achieve. By offering specific options, you can control the user experience while still offering customization. You've now successfully set up a parameter that can drive dynamic column headers and titles in Tableau. By applying this parameter to your workbook, you will be able to switch between views or datasets seamlessly, all by utilizing the input provided through your newly created parameter. This whole process not only enhances your project's interactivity, but also makes your dashboards adaptable and responsive to the viewer's preferences or needs. You've taken a significant step toward mastering dynamic updates in Tableau. By following these steps, you've equipped your Tableau visualization with the ability to adapt to different scenarios, ensuring your project remains versatile and robust. Keep experimenting with different parameters and settings to maximize your dashboard's capabilities. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you in the next video.